Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you the sharpest and most satisfying keyboard tech every single day. Today, we're spotlighting a compact powerhouse with major personality, the Ducky One 3 Mini Daybreak, a 60% mechanical keyboard loaded with enthusiast features. This keyboard is a dream for minimalists, gamers, and typists who crave precision, customization, and ultra-clean desk setups. Let's dive in. The 60% layout means you're ditching the numpad, arrow keys, and function row, but don't worry, you still have full access via layered key combos. It's compact, clean, and leaves more space for your mouse and movement, especially ideal for FPS or competitive players. Now let's talk switches. This model features hot-swappable Cherry MX Blue switches known for their tactile clicky feedback and distinct audible snap. If you love that classic mechanical sound and feel, you're going to love this board. And if you want to experiment later, simply hot swap to any 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switch, no soldering required. Ducky's Quack Mechanics give this board a premium, custom-like typing feel. You're getting multiple layers of internal dampening, including high-density foam and a solid top plate for a deeper, thockier sound profile with less ping and rattle. The keycaps are made from triple-shot high-density PBT, durable, fade-resistant, and built to last. The Daybreak colorway is bold and beautiful dark blues and yellows that add energy to any setup without being overbearing. For lighting lovers, there's brilliant per-key RGB, fully customizable without software via onboard controls, or program it deeply using Ducky's firmware. And the little touch is a detachable USB-C braided cable, dual layer feed for angle adjustment, and excellent build quality that feels great right out of the box. Whether you're gaming on the go, upgrading your desk, or getting into mechanical keyboards, the Ducky One 3 Mini Daybreak brings premium performance in a tiny footprint. Hit the link below to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Gadgetverse drops 20 gear reviews a day, and we're just getting started.